In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate products to another website on Squarespace. If you want to move your product listings from one Squarespace website to another, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. Squarespace lets you do this by exporting your products from one site, then importing that same file into the other site. This is especially useful if you're setting up a second store, rebuilding a site, or just trying to save time instead of manually recreating every item one by one. To begin, go to the website that currently has the products you want to copy. From your main dashboard, click Products and Services, and then go into Products. This will open the full list of products that are already on that site. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the correct website before exporting, especially if you manage more than one Squarespace account or store. Once you're on the Products list page, look to the top right corner and click Export All. Squarespace will then generate a file containing your product information in its spreadsheet format. This is typically designed to work smoothly with Squarespace imports, which makes the transfer process much easier. After the export is complete, save the file somewhere easy to find, since you'll need it again in just a moment. Next, switch over to the other Squarespace website, the one where you want these products to appear. Open that site's dashboard, then go to Products and Services, and again click Products. You should now be on the product list page for the destination website. At the top right, click Import. Squarespace will prompt you to choose a file. Select the export file you saved earlier, then upload it here. Once the upload finishes, Squarespace will begin bringing those product details into the new website. After the import is complete, your products should now be duplicated onto the second website. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the imported items to make sure everything looks correct, including titles, pricing, descriptions, and any product variants or images that were included in the export. Even though the process is simple, doing a quick check can help you catch anything that may need adjustment before the products go live. And that's it. That's how to duplicate products to another website on Squarespace. It's a fast and practical way to transfer your store content without having to rebuild everything manually.